Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
December 6th is here and I'm wearing a pineapple shirt. But that doesn't matter, because it's time for Beery Christmas. This was yesterday's door, number 5. Now we have to find a way to number 6. It takes a path around the corner and it rounds this one and rounds the already open number 4. And ta-da! It arrives at a factory of some sort. Okay, can I open this one? Shut up, I can do it. Yes, I can. So, number 6. It goes with almond and vanilla ice cream. That's awfully specific, isn't it? So it's a Pöhjala. I remember this. They had one of these last year, but a different kind, I think. This is a Cinnabun. Oh my god, it's a Baltic porter with cinnamon taste. And where does the bun come in? Anyway, this is gonna be horrible. I swear it. This is gonna be the worst one yet. No, that's not possible. Oh yes, it is possible. Look at this. Okay. It tastes, no, it smells. I'm gonna put a full stop there. It smells. Do you want to give it a sniff? I'm doing some behind the camera judgments as well. Skeptical looks all around. So it looks like sewage and, well, I can't describe it. It's like dark bread that's come out when it's been processed. I'm leaving it at that.